Okay, so I started by freeing these up because these were stuck solid from paint over the years. So I know the spring hooks onto this nub, and we need to hook onto down in here. If I can get some light to show what I need to show. Come on. There, right back in there, that little hook sticking down. That is that's where the other end of the hook goes. So let's see from underneath. Maybe not. I can't see it through the lens, but anyway. So what we're gonna do, if I can. It's a little tricky doing this right now. I don't. Okay, let's see what we got. Just bear with me a second. Okay, so you got your spring. Open this packet for the spring. Get a decent wire. Okay. Like so. End it about halfway. Okay. That. Now we're going to take this wire and bend it about halfway again. Like so. Also bend this one about halfway. Alright. Take the one end and you're going to put it through the spring itself, through the end. And that'll help keep the spring so you can control it, so it's not just flopping. You take the other end here, and we're going to just wrap it around and pull it. Packaging. Okay, so make sure about there, this is held, and then you got a bolt. Put your bolt through your loops like that to give yourself a handle to pull on. Like so. But first, we don't want this yet, this bolt. So take that back out. What we're gonna do is doing this by hand with one hand is really tricky. Finding that gets in the way. Okay. Again, back to this here. We're going to shove. Sorry, my bad. Again, we're going to go through here, through a hole. So hold on a second. It's like this again. Okay, now the spring is up in here. Pull this through. Now I got to put my handle back in. Hold on. Right. Now I have my handle. The spring's on the correct side. So we're going to hook on to, I don't know if you can see it or not. I hope you can. Oops. Get this back in here. You got to hook the spring onto. guy back in there. Come on. Alright. This one, the body seems to be closer. So I'm going to grab a screwdriver and just push it up real quick. Hold on a sec. Alright, now that end is on. Come on, focus. Alright, we're on here. So now we're going to push this back. So we can pull this. I have too much wire in my way. Hold on, I need to set this down. I need 2 hands to pull it. Okay. Oh, I lost my bolt. There you go, bolt. Well, because I don't need it. But now it's on. Now you gotta get the wire out. This is really too long a wire. It's just the only wire I had, and I didn't feel like cutting my long piece of wire. Go. And ta-da. Okay. That's out. You can see the spring is hooked onto here. And hooked on. Come on, baby. Can I zoom or no? And it's hooked on and up in there. So now she's good. And it took less than 8 minutes. So less than 8 minutes ain't bad.